From home sewing machines to industrial sewing machines, threading is basically the same. To thread the machine, it will most likely always thread from right to left. If you're not 100% sure about where to thread the thread, check your manual to be absolutely sure. If you don't have a manual, you can always get one online if you search your machine's name. For example, I have a Bernina 830, and I would just go on Google, search Bernina 830, and find a PDF of that manual. Some machines even have numbers on them, so that you know how to thread it, just like the one that is in this video. Yay! You will start from the spool of the thread, which is to the right of your machine, just like the little logo up here up at the top. After that, you will take the thread that you had from the spool up at the right of your machine to the left under a hook, most likely. This is not always 100% true because every machine is different. Just keep remembering it goes from right to left. Now, you will most likely place your thread to the right of a tension disc. Tension discs allow the thread to flow through the sewing machine with some to little resistance, and it changes with different fabrics that you are using, different threads you are using, and different needles you are using. So let's say you're going to be working on silk chiffon. You need a different tension than what you would be using for cotton fabric. Next is going under a hook, then over the hook that is connected to raising and lowering the needle. So there are two hooks there. And lastly, you will hook it into a hook that is just above the needle, which is the most forgotten part, it seems like, is just that tiny hook that is above the needle. It's not extremely visible, so you'll just want to make sure that it's there because it's going to keep the thread nice and taut against the needle, and it'll make it a lot less easy for the thread to knot in a bad way and potentially jam your machine. After you do that, you will thread your thread into the needle.